So hi, end of the video வந்துட்டோம். Like last 3 pieces Capricorn and Aquarius இந்த மூணுக்கு மட்டும் வந்து இருக்கு. So என்ன மெசேஜ் அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா oracle reading for இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா angels and ancestors oracle reading. இன்னொன்று வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா guardian angel reading. இந்த ரெண்டு கார்ட்ஸ் வச்சு தான் நான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து ப்ரெடிக்ட் பண்ண போகிறேன். This is going to be the general reading. Okay. இது வந்து ஏஞ்சல் அண்ட் என்ன ஆரக்கிள் ரீடிங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பட் டேரோ ரீடிங் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். எனக்கு டேரோ ரீடிங்னால என்னன்னு தெரியாது அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறவங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் டேரோ ரீடிங்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அந்த லிங்க்கை போய் கிளிக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். எனக்கு வந்து பர்சனலாக வந்து நான் எடுத்துக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா தட் இஸ் சார்ஜபிள். அதுக்கான இன்ஃபர்மேஷனும் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் இருக்கும். என்னோட வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ஐடியும் வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா அதிலே வந்து இருக்கும். So this is what it is. Let's get started. Okay, I'll start with the Capricorn. Show me the card for the Capricorn. Show me the card for the Capricorn. Show me the card. Capricorn, please. Okay. Whatever you do, okay, Capricorn, it is the time to be very proud of what you have done so far. And the message தான் வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா வந்து சொல்லுது. Okay. You have taught your family the grace that comes from knowing right from the wrong and the right from the wrong. So you should be very proud, and your family members are bonded and working together. Heaven has provided so many blessings to you. You cannot count the blessings if you are not being very gratitude. Okay, Capricorn, please show me the card for Capricorn. Show me the cards for Capricorn, please. Show me the one card. So this is what this is the time to be very proud about yourself. Trust your talents in changing times. Okay. Let's see what is the message it is trying to say for Capricorn. Spirit Fox. அதே மாதிரி டைம் ஸ்டாம்பும் வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா கீழே வந்து இருக்கும். எஸ், Spirit Fox 74. Stay alert as changes is in the year. Okay. An amazingly resilient creature able to survive in urban environments or freezing temperature of the Arctic. This animal denotes, okay, it can able to survive anywhere. The madda ningal. Foxes know what is like to be hunted. For centuries they have been sought for their precious fur when okay, one second, sorry, got a call in between. Okay, so the energies around you are changing at this time, although it may not always be comfortable. You are equipped with all you need to survive shift. Okay, sorry if you're hearing some other sound, I'm very sorry. The experience of being hunted or threatened is now behind you, and you are being invited to come out from the den and reveal your glory and talents. Okay. Although it may not always be comfortable, you are equipped with all you need to survive this shift. You are being reach spaces you never encountered before, and this can make you feel on edge, but be open to the shift occurring because they really are the answers to your prayers. Your prayers are going to be being answered. Okay, You're going to be presented with so many opportunities that you have never encountered before. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இல்லாத ஒரு opportunitiesலாம் you may get it right now. You're going to get it very very soon. Okay, so this is for you guys. Sorry, இன்னைக்கு உங்களை பண்ணும்போது நிறைய டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் வருது. கால் வருது, வீட்டில் கத்துறாங்க. Aquarius, please show me the card for Aquarius. Two cards, guys, two cards. Okay, trust in high forces and be grateful in movement and action. Two cards for Aquarius. Okay, let's see what is the message for you. Okay, slow and steady. Okay, this is a card for you. Okay, be graceful in movement and action. Trust in high forces. Okay, take a gentler approach, slow and steady, breathe and flow. Okay, it's about learning to adapt to your situation and tap into the energy running through your body and preserve in it order to release it at the right moment. It also teaches so many things, because when you are too forceful you use too much energy that may not be supportive of what you are working on. Okay, it is disciplined and guided. Okay, you're being guided to flow like water, blow like air, and connect with your purest intentions. Don't feel you need to rush ahead. A gentler approach will be more fruitful and rewarding. Move with subtlety and grace. Okay, do you have the capacity to refocus your gaze at this time? Can you slow down or take more time to soften and breathe as you move forward? Okay, all of this will incredibly beneficial for what happens next. Okay, so நீங்க திருப்பி வந்துட்டு டைம் ஸ்டாம்ப் ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கு, நீங்க திருப்பி கூட நான் சொல்றத போட்டு பாருங்க. Trust in your angels, guides and ancestors. If you have given your power away, claim it back. When there are illness or disease, it was because of person's powers has been left behind somewhere, or a negative pattern have installed itself in them. They would have traveled to the underworld to recall this power and remove the demon. If the god comes to you, it's because you need to do some release work with your lower energies or with your lack of trust in the spiritual energies that are guiding you. The shaman will aid you in the quest. Okay, this shaman card brings you the energy of your shaman guides to you. All the spiritual allies are working in your favor. Okay, miracles will unfold much more easily when you move into a state of trust in your angels. Okay, hand over all your concerns to your spiritual allies. When you do so, you allow them to send your intuitive guidance and messages that will allow you to correct the situation and come out on top. The shaman card also shows you that shamanic potentials to move between realms and connect with your guides in an extremely personal way. Trust in God, trust in guides, trust in angels. Trust there is a spiritual energies around you. If that's so, you can able to do it. And it has whatever you do it in a very soft and way. Okay, Aquarius, please. Aquarius, please. Aquarius, please. Oh my god, I'm getting this again and again. I'm sorry, guys. Be proud about where you have reached right now. Okay, it's time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or make you disorganized. People who take from you but don't give back should be released as well. You or another person involved in the situation is wise, insightful and caring, has a wonderful sense of humor and offers a lot of life experience. Healer of thought. Time to clean up your life. Declutter everything which is no longer serving you. Okay. Pisces, please show me the cards for Pisces. Pisces, please. Pisces, Spirit, Pisces. Pisces, please. This is the beginning of new emotional experience that grow into something deeper. You may receive expressing feelings and you did not even know you were developing. Social invitation could soon be on its way to you. There is a person involved who is very gentle and loving with only the kindest of intentions. It could be you, especially if you're artistic, shy and sensitive. Messenger of emotions. New emotional experience is coming on the way for you, Pisces people, okay? You may receive a message expressing feelings that you did not even know you were developing. You are going to develop some new emotional feelings, okay? It's on the way. Pisces, Spirit, Pisces. So now, வாசிக்கிறத நீங்க திருப்பி போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். டைம் ஸ்டாம்ப் இருக்கு. Move beyond ancestral patterns. Enter. Okay. Move beyond the limitations that have been set for you by family members past and present. Know that the energy of your spirit is more powerful than the genetic and behavior patterns. Okay. The elder is the ancestor who comes with a message of healing change. Okay. It represents a reclamation of power. When he appears, it is acknowledgement that you have the capacity to move beyond your limitations that have been placed upon you. If you have had expectations of success, failure, sadness or even sickness placed upon you by your family, it is important to know that you are here to create your own story. This card represents personal healing that will bring healing to your family lineage, past, present and future. Know that you get to decide what you take on, and also know that your ancestors are rooting for you and sorry for any setbacks that have created for you. If you feel like because of your only the elder parents, they are suffering like this, they are trying to seek sorry to you. Okay. So this is for you guys. It's a very simple reading, this oracle reading. If you want to book personal reading, that is different. That is tarot. This is not the cards I will use. I'll be using tarot cards which will give exact information what you have been going through and what will happen in the immediate future also. So if you want to book a session, yes, you can book with me. 8610337463. And let's spread only love. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Bye.